Welcome Facilities Division to this week's Safety Talk. I hope you're enjoying the nice cool weather. Fall is here, one of my favorite seasons of the year, and I hope you and your families are doing well. So this week we want to talk about our facility safety training plan. Over the last few weeks we've covered different areas of this, and we want to continue that this week. So I want to outline a few steps that we've talked about. The first one is where to find our training plan. So you're going to go to go.ncsu.edu/safety, and that'll take you to the Facilities Division Safety webpage. On that page, you're going to see a red box that says Training. You're going to click on that box, and it's going to take you to a different page where the first option is going to be the Facilities Division Safety Training Plan. When you click on that, it's going to open up the entire plan. Now, it's important for us to remember when we talk about training in our categories that not only are we wanting to get information, we're wanting to be able to recognize a hazard and mitigate that hazard, but it's also required. These are required courses from OSHA that we have to take. So not only do we really want you to take this for the absolute knowledge of it, but there's also a requirement that we have to do this. So when you open this plan, you're going to find a table of contents with different areas in the Facilities Division. Now find your area and click on that, and it will take you to your area, or that page will be for your area. And one thing to remember, if you are an administrative position in an area and you do not necessarily go out into the field or in the same hazards as the other people within your area, there is an administrative training plan located on page 24 just for you. So once you find your training plan, you're going to be able to it's going to list every one of the subjects that is required for you to take. It's going to list how long that individual subject takes, as well as how often you have to retrain. Some of our trainings is one and done. Some every year, some every 2, and then also some every 3. So make sure you pay attention to that. Just because you had it 4 years ago and it's an every 3-year refresher, you will still need to take that again. As well, you're going to be able to find a link. This link will take you straight to the reporter class where you're going to be able to take it. Now we're asking that everybody who takes the training classes, you fill out a roster and you send that roster to Keita Williams. She's our training coordinator in the Facilities Division, and that way she can enter this into AIM. And as well, when you send this to her, make sure you send a copy to your supervisor. I would encourage that you have a conversation with your supervisor individually and also as a whole group as to the different types of trainings. It may be that y'all can come together and do trainings together, or if it's individually, at least your supervisor knows about it. Now again, I want to say our training is really important, not only for the compliance, but it is for us to recognize these hazards. We do not want to see you get injured. We do not want to see one mishap. Remember, we care about you. Go for 0. No one gets hurt. Go Pack.